Okay, let's choose this ship. Okay, the ship contains okay. I'll close the aircraft carrier for now on. Better. Okay, I'll speed it up. So okay, let's go. Look at the carrier. Okay, let's go. Oh no, I accidentally launched it. What did I do? I accidentally launched it.
Wait, actually, can we actually work?
Okay, no, I cannot return. How can I do this? What is happening? Fifty. Okay. Can I get this back? Oh no, I also missed it. How do I do this? Okay. Okay. Where's my aircraft? Okay, good. I speeded it up. Launch. Just launch. What did I do? Just launch. My bomb buckets. What? No, too soon. Okay. Gee, my health. My bye. Let me return my fighter bits. I want to it's my only one. Okay, I'm under attack. Get my drones. Okay. Fire the missiles. Doom. Oh my god, this is a engineering. Okay, G-dumps, prepare the G-dumps. I missed. Okay. Let's go. Oh, my helicopter is so low, I don't even know. Okay, how can I straight and fire this? Okay, straight and fire straight. I missed him. I didn't get much. Oh no, I'm dying out. I'm low. I'm low. Launch. Yes, launch. Okay, can I escape? Where's it? I don't have enemies, but I got my jet. Good. Straight. And I missed. Okay, missile. These are the flares. Okay. Let's do it. Apache helicopter. Okay. Fire. Go at the low one. Go at the low health one. Destroy it. Fire. Okay, fire. Oh, that's a lot. Boom, bam, defeated. Who's Oleg? Is that Oleg? What is his name? Oleg? Okay, Oleg. He's a Japanese. Okay, he's Japanese. Okay, so bomba. We win. Let's go. We win. Oh, what do we get? Oh, I got 200,000 gold. $200,000. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, I have two things. Okay, I accidentally placed it on it. I'm supposed to get the gifts. Okay, what even? I don't even know how to do that. Okay. Oh, and then to go inside the other chest. Okay, let's go on this one now. Systems. Oh, let me get that. Oh, 500 gold. Gus, what do you have for me? Deal what? Okay. What is? Okay, kid. Oh, I can now buy my flag. Equipment shop. Okay, I can finally buy the Jolly Roger. Okay, where is the Jolly Roger? Where is the Jolly Roger? Where is it? Where's the, oh, here it is. 1,000 gold. Here we go. Boom. We got the Jolly Roger available on our ship. Okay, what should we do for this video? Okay. This is announcements. What? Okay, submarine. What is it? Bro, we got profiles in here. Okay, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 2. Keep surrounded. JS is a mummy. Okay. What? I have those. Top up your chips. So that. Top up your chips. What? Oh, I have to buy these. Oh, close exchange. Okay. And get give okay. What? Okay. Oh. Okay. Then go back. What should I do? What's it help me? God player. Okay. You'll be crying when mods emit what? Is that a submarine? Is that a submarine? For free? No way. Okay. Can I get info? Where is it? Can I get info? Where's the info button? Oh, here it is. It's French FS Triomphant. Okay, what's this? This looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna search that. Search that and the front. No ships. No ships. Damn, no ships. Submarines. No ships? What? There's no. Oh, I'm in the ship. Okay, this is the ship. Submarine, France. Wait, what? I didn't expect these ones there. That one I expected. It looks too modern to be real. This looks too modern to be real. Okay, let's do this. This looks like a SL-71 Blackbird, by the way. Oh, one shot, almost dead. Remember that my little brother went in the room. Oldies. They're all on the this is how to work. I said, chill the R for your day. What happened? I'll probably dead. Okay, so this is actually fire when I was what? Fire on. Okay, missile gauge. Look at the front, it just opens. Fire missiles, torpedoes. Okay. Wow, there's so little frost. Look at that. Fire. All I got. This. I press it again. Bro's name is Odie. Okay, tires, torpedoes. Gone. Done. Okay, so now we go. Can I submerge it to get a better look? Oh, I see it. Why is it look like a shark without fins on the top? A top fin. And what are the rotors on the side? Okay, now I see the air bubbles in the back. Okay, so let's do this. Another one. Okay. Or turn right. Wait, I can no collide. Back. Yeah, I want that. Now let's turn and go. He almost crashed it there, guys. That could be afraid of, actually. Okay. Yes. Over physics F. Sorry. Okay, only my torpedoes. Okay. This is